Hi friends, welcome to my channel Laundry World. This is my second channel in English because many people request in English speaking in English, but I am not better can speaking English. But you help me understanding, and my first channel in Hindi language, laundry knowledge and chemicals, and this is second channel in English. Our major problem in washing and dry cleaning pangutakastain because he is a difficult stain. But this cloth was not can I do in white lot because damage this type color. So in stain removing pan gutka stain, first you wet garment and some rinse cloth and apply flyer stain remover in direct spot. Pan gutka stain flying in some second, but he is use only white cloth because he can do color damage color cloth, but color cloth is fast synthetic, no problem for color cloth if he is synthetic and fast color. You can see this stain is flying position in few seconds because this shirt was not washing in white lot in hypo bleach because he is printed. So stain removing procedure is separately. You can see this stain in removing process in few seconds. This type apply flyer stain remover on stain and wet some stain is clean. This is a second shirt. First apply water and after apply flyer stain remover and color and stain processing in remove in few seconds. This flyer stain remover use for any type color, pan gutka stain, haldi stain, turmeric stain, kumkum, but he is use only white cloth and fast color cloth. This type you can remove pan gutka stain 100%. I target this stain is big, but he is completely removed in few seconds. If here reaction of flyer stain remove reaction of cloth in a yellow spot, if here coming yellow spot, that time his chemical for neutral take some tinopol, calling optical whitener, take some water on and apply on yellow stain. Spot removing come yellow stain in reaction, that time apply here tinopol water, clearly remove our yellow stain. Reaction of yellow stain. 100% of yellow stain removing here. Any type yellow stain reaction of flyer stain remover, you can apply optical whitener, any meaning tinopol, and neutral this chemical. So friends, this is we manufacturer of all stain remover, flyer stain remover. Flyer stain remover is used in pangutakastain, only white cloth, but color cloth is fast we can use on. So friends, this is a pan gutka, turmeric, kumkum, ink stain, blood stain you can remove. So, and neutral reaction any garment, use tinopol, optical whitener, apply on for neutral. So friends, welcome next video. This stain apply first and procedure continue. One minute, few seconds, this stain remove procedure. And here reaction any type of flyer stain remover, you can use optical whitener for neutral reaction. This procedure is complete. Jai Hind.